Looking for a perfect mix of history, nature, and adventure? Let's discover Bataan, a remarkable hidden gem in the Philippines. After just an hour by ride from Manila across the bay, Bataan Province, which was a typically tourist destination until lately, is now proving to be a tourist paradise with lots of intriguing sights to see and things to do, including the Bataan World War II Museum, Mount Samat Shrine of Valor, with a combination of its natural beach Murong. Discover an unforgettable moments love the Bataan.